Hey, show Daddy how much chicken and rice you love. Chicken and rice. You can't get enough. I don't know. Show him how much you love the chicken and rice. There's chicken. Yum. Chew it up. Chew it all up. Ah. Yeah.
Get the ah.
Good. Good. Is that yummy or what? You want some more water? Okay, Daddy, we love you. Just want to show how much we eat. We eat all the chicken and rice. Yeah. Yummy. We need some more chicken, G-Mom.